Aussie, Aussie, Aussie!
Play, play, play!
Hey, true blue.
Bingo, today is Anzac Day.
Would you like to make some Anzac Biscuits in honour of the Anzacs?
Yes, please.
Hey, true blue. Hey, true blue.
To make Anzac Biscuits, you will need 125 grams or 4 ounces of butter chopped, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup,
Just another
half a teaspoon of bicarb soda, 2 tablespoons of boiling water,
true blue.
1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of desiccated coconut, and these utensils.
True blue.
Don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water.
Hey, true blue. Can you bear
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey, true blue.
Line 2 large trays with baking paper.
Hey, true blue. Now be fair dinkum.
Combine the oats,
Is your heart still there?
flour,
If they say
brown sugar and coconut in a bowl.
really care, hey, true blue.
Mix together with a spoon and set aside.
True blue.
Place the butter
Is it me?
and golden syrup in a medium saucepan on a low heat.
Is it a cockatoo? Is it standing by your mate?
Combine boiling water and bicarb soda.
Or just Vegemite?
Then pour into the butter syrup mixture.
I'm asking you.
Stir until frothy.
Is it me and you?
Pour the contents of the saucepan over the oats mixture.
Is it standing
Use a wooden spoon to combine.
in a fight? Or
Roll level tablespoons of mixture into balls.
true?
Place 5 centimeters or 2 inches apart on lined trays. Flatten slightly.
Hey, true blue. Don't say you've gone.
Carefully place the trays in the oven and bake for 12 minutes or until golden.
Hey, true blue.
Don't forget to clean as you go. Remove trays of biscuits from the oven.
Are you really disappearing?
Cool on wire racks.
Rise, hey, true blue.
eat and enjoy.
True blue.
Yummy. Yeah, these are delicious. We love making Anzac Biscuits.
Is it a cockatoo? Is it standing by
Thank you, Anzacs.
when he's in a fight?
Lest we forget.
True blue.
Aussie,
Play!
Aussie,
Play!
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Play, play, play!